Hello again. Episode 4. So let's continue segueing into it from episode 3. So we talked about swabs, different swabs that you can use. It's important to recover the swab, the sample from the swab on the at the point of collection. Why it's important? There is kind of double whammy here. If you let the swab dry, the DNA irreversibly binds. So for example, if you have 10 nanograms of DNA, you're lucky if you get 3 nanograms back. This is a major problem, and if you let it sit and dry by its own, you're exposing it to the environment, right? So this is why it's very important to recover the sample off the swab head right away. An example here, I have actually Puritan, which is one of the good flux swabs. So this is, let's say, people in the forensics, or they have a they can always pre-wet the swab, and let's say this is an evidence here. You just try to recover the whole of it, and then look at it. So almost I got most of it, and then you go in using one of the iSWAB technologies that squeeze out and release the sample right off the swab right away. Now this is completely, you didn't allow it to dry, and the DNA to irreversibly bind to the swab head, so you get maximum recovery out of your swab. This is what I want to focus on. Not allowing bacteria, not allowing fungi to grow on the swab. You're not allowing it to tightly, the DNA that is released tightly bound to the swab, to the flocking or the swab fibers, and releasing it right away into a stabilizer or a process that will allow you to, actually this is over 5 years stable at room temperature. So we tested at 56 degrees Celsius, so believe it or not. So anyways, looking forward for episode 5 to walk you through more tips and advices on sample collection and what is the best for you. Thank you.